Good morning, Sebastian here with number two project, mobile furniture repair. I will show you today how I create the Google Business Profile image and post. All right, so I do have some of my previous posts, but so let me show you how it looks like, just like that with a picture, and I'll show you how we gonna do it. All right, first you go to the Google and you will check the image size for the Google Business Profile update. So it will recommend you 1200 by 900 pixels. That's huge. It will have a nice of course it will be nice, bright, and sharp. I always choose the minimum 4 by 300. It's just a habit. I like to downsizing the images because I do that for my website, so they don't take too much space. But you don't have to do that. Then, so let's say we do 4 by 300. All right, we go to the Canva. You create any type of the background. I always do the any background regarding my services, which is the recliner repair expert. That's what I'm doing. And the first thing, I always put my what I want to rank for recliner repair. Then where I want to rank, which is the Sacramento, California, and I do that for all my different service areas. All right. And then I put my phone. All right, I try to not clutter the image. Logo always gotta be there. I try to not clutter the image too much. The reason why, because if you clutter it, it will not let you post it. Also, the Google has ability to read the everything of the picture. So it will read your logo. It will read there is a recliner in the background, technician with a logo. We will read all the writing like the Sacramento service area, recliner repair, phone number. Okay, so we keep it that way. What I do, then I share it, I download it. I'm not gonna lower down the quality of this. I don't care. I'm gonna download it in the PNG. All right, I have it downloaded. I'm gonna put it in one of my files. Let's say right here. Now I'm gonna go to the to my service area, and I wanna rewrite it for. Those are all my service areas. So I always create pages, and then I always also create the Google Business Profile updates for every single city in my service area, and I post it every day, in the Publer. So I schedule it automatically in the Publer, and it just posts by itself. But I'm gonna do it for Carmichael, so I can show it to you. So what I do, I always go to ChatGPT. I use ChatGPT for simple writing. It doesn't have to be anything fancy pantsy. And what you do, I just go to the Publer, and in the Publer I just copy my old post, but you can just create the prompt, the please write the Google Business Profile update for me for Carmichael area, including the all the services. You provide all the services names, and be creative. Always provide the link to your website and the link to your Google Maps. I mean, that's what I do. And when you create one update like that, then you can just copy, you can paste it into the Chat GPT, and you can just write it down, rewrite for Carmichael, keep links clickable. So it just start rewriting Carmichael, California sofa recliner repair by number 2 project. It throws in some of the emojis. The Google Business Profile is not taking emojis too well all the time, so it can remove or not post your update, and you don't want that. So I just told him to remove emojis, and here is our post. All right, we just gonna, what I always do, I always put the title on the picture, so I'm not getting everything is in order. Then go back to Publer. All right, I'll go back to Publer. And I automatically already have posted everything till like March 31st next year, so I don't have to be worried about it. But I'm gonna create a new one. So I created here. Okay, now I am going to copy that info that the ChatGPT provided for me. Then I'm gonna paste it in a Publer right here. See, and you have all the keywords that you want, all the services that you want, and you just, if you create that post for different city, you just change that in your picture. You change, like here you can change it till Carmichael. Then you gotta I gotta cancel, I gotta delete this one. Okay, you change it for Carmichael, you download it, boom, and down, go to chat title right here. That's simple. Just put the title in here, boom. Go to Publer. We already have our copy paste info from ChatGPT. We change that, boom. Drag and drop media, drag and drop this one. I want him to call, so call now. It'll pull up my phone number off my website automatically. Then I do schedule for April 5th. I do always start with one at 9 a.m. and then I post another one at 11 a.m. But it's up to you. I know after they were saying that people are checking after work, so between like 4 and 6, 7. I found that very ineffective, but it depends on the business. And then I just press the schedule. And the Publer automatically will schedule my post for April 1st, 2026.